Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. Now, we want to solve a problem on limits, and we have this question to evaluate the limit of this function sin 7x all over x as x approaches what? 0. So, how do we solve this? Now, we want to make our direct substitution. Whenever we see x, we are going to put 0. So, if we substitute 0 here, this will give us sin 7 times 0 all over. If you substitute 0, we'll be having what? 0 at the denominator. So clearly, you can see that when you solve this is sin 7 times 0 is 0, all over this is what? Is 0. So if we point this in the calculator, this is 0 over what? Over 0. So the point is this, the denominator is 0, and we don't want the denominator to be what? 0. So because this cannot give us a what? A solution. So what are we going to do? We make use of the L'Hopital's rule. Now the L'Hopital's rule tells us that we can differentiate the numerator separately and differentiate the denominator what? Separately. So if we do that, we are going to have that the limit as x approaches 0. So if we differentiate the numerator, sin 7x will give us 7 cos 7 what? X. That's why we differentiate. Now if we differentiate x, we are going to have what? 1. Now we can substitute. So if I substitute 0 as x, so we are having 7 cos 7 times what? 0 all over what? 1. Now you can see that this is 7 cos 7 times 0 is what? Is 0 over what? 1. And this will give us 7. So cos 0 is what? Is 1. So if we put in 1 here, this is 7 times 1 is equal to what? 7. So that means in evaluation of the limit as x approaches 0 for this function, 7x sin 7x all over x is equal to what? 7. Thank you.